Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Gatorade Whey Protein Recover Bars, Chocolate Chip, 2.8 ounce bars, 12 count. Unlike most protein bars, these actually taste very good while maintaining a really good amount of protein. They do have a slightly higher calorie count than other bars, so that is something to consider if you are trying to lose weight. You can have them as a quick outdoor snack, return from work snack, or after workout snack. These are so good. Love eating them after a workout, or for a quick breakfast. Now granted, everyone's metabolism and tastes are different, but these are coated with so much rich chocolate and sugar that they taste very similar to a candy bar. Of course, that means they also have the same results as a candy bar: weight gain in the wrong places. I've tried several others, even unfortunately some organic products, and none of them even come close to the flavor, mouthfeel, and texture that these bars have. These are good, but way too sweet to be good for you, if you ask me. It was a great decision. These bars are the best tasting protein bars that I've ever had. They are high in carbs and sugar, so if you're exercising to lose weight or lean your physique, they're probably not the best choice. The first bar tastes great, second, not so much, third, okay, fourth, and you're done. Wish these came with 12 chocolate caramel instead of chocolate chip, or 3 different flavors. You can get protein bars with less amount of sugar, less calories, and more protein. This helps them make it through workout and the rest of the day without getting hungry. Great alternative for candy bars and kids' lunch, or as take-along snack for after school before sports or other activities. If you eat a bar and have a bottle of water, you won't be hungry. In addition, you can already taste it is put for a long time, doesn't taste fresh at all. Not great for those that are looking for some additional protein without taking a ton of sugar. If you're looking for a quick snack in between meals, this is a no-brainer. Highly recommended for everyone. It's a good tasting bar with full of protein, but this has 29 grams of sugar, which is way too high. 28 grams of sugar in each bar. Compare that to the Cliff protein bars that have only 5 grams of sugar. These taste great. They are a bit on the crumbly side, and make a bit of a mess while eating. Got a couple of these for free at a soccer tournament a couple of months ago, and they were great. When the product arrived, they tasted stale, and the chocolate covering had turned a little white. They're basically Snickers bars that happen to have 20 grams of whey protein in them. Although these are protein bars, they have a wonderful, chocolate M&D taste like a candy bar. This is the go-to bar when you are halfway done with that mountain. If you aren't super worried about calories, you generally should buy this now, and slam some weights to burn it all back off. It is different flavors than listed, so be careful when you buy it, but they taste absolutely amazing. Give the bar a 5, but when it can't make the trip as new condition, it's not worth it. The added air in the bar keeps it from being so horribly dense like other protein bars. Better price than in the stores when you buy them a box at the time. And unlike most other bars, they actually are sweet and have real sugar in them. Gatorade bar, 360 calories, 12 grams fat, 10 saturated, 41 grams carbs, 20 grams protein. She plays field hockey, and it keeps her full before a game, and after. Sometimes she eats half before, and then half after. Regardless, the major problem is that it contributes to higher levels of cholesterol and fat overall. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, and leave your comments below.